Hey, how you doing? I am just recording this video for you, not for me, for you. And I'm gonna post it on YouTube. And I don't know why, because it's like the worst video ever made. But I'm really enjoying this iFi Mobi card. I'm recording this on my DSLR, so it should be pretty high quality. Can you see all the pores in my face? Oh, I'm pretty, huh? Look, I'm looking at myself over in the side view camera. Flips out. Alright, well, you know what? I gotta go. Because these files are really big and it's gonna take like 4 hours to upload. I might even have to wait for Wi-Fi. I never know. Okay, well, because that's a problem, you know. Get it from the MiFi to the phone, but then the file's like 1 gig and my phone's like, you can't upload that through your mobile network, you gotta wait for you to get to your Wi-Fi. And so that's what we're gonna do, maybe. Alright, well, I'll see you later. Goodbye.